Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan using Gulaman easy method. Start by dissolving Gulaman powder in warm water, then boil until fully dissolved and clear. Whisk condensed milk, evaporated milk, and egg yolks in a bowl until smooth, then slowly fold in the cooled Gulaman mixture while stirring gently. Pour through a fine strainer into a caramel-lined mold, cover, and steam or bake in a water bath until set. Warm and friendly tip: dissolve Gulaman powder in cold water first, then bring it to a gentle boil until clarity appears. Allow the mixture to cool just enough so it won't cook the eggs when combined. While cooling, whisk egg yolks with condensed and evaporated milk until homogeneous and glossy. Slowly add the lukewarm Gulaman into the custard base while stirring steadily, then strain into your prepared caramel-lined mold before steaming or baking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your commute pleasant and your kitchen drive smelling crisp, a fun little companion for dessert runs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily, and now let's get back to the video. Keep the mood cozy. Cook the flan gently in a steamer or in a 325 degrees F water bath to avoid overcooking and to preserve silkiness. Once set, cool at room temperature briefly, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight to firm up and enhance flavor. When ready to serve, run a warm knife around the edges and invert onto a plate so caramel cascades over the custard for a beautiful finish that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.